Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm back with another quick video for you. So I'm gonna be spicing up my hair a little bit. I don't know if you're familiar with my hair color, but when I colored it last February, it was a lot more red. And then I got my roots retouch, but the red I'm learning just fades. No matter when you get it done, how often you get it done, the red is just gonna fade. I love this color that it's faded into, but I just wanna give it a little bit more red than ginger. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your hair is completely detangled and combed completely through. So here my hair is completely detangled and combed through. I'm going to be using Madison Reed's Color Reviving Gloss in the color Cannella. Now they have a couple different colors. I've only used this one, but it only takes to your hair if it's already colored. Let me repeat. It only takes to previously colored hair. This will not change your natural color. So I always like to test a small piece first just to make sure I am gonna like what the color will do. You will start to see it immediately how your color is going to be affected by this gloss. So it's just like applying a conditioner. Like if you're doing a deep conditioning treatment, it's pretty simple, but just make sure you comb the product through, just like with any conditioner treatment that you may do. So I just applied generously. I would be safe and just get 2 bottles just to make sure you have enough, because you really don't know how much you're gonna need if you've never done this before. So I had 2 bottles. Just be generous, but just make sure that you comb the gloss through thoroughly so you have a nice even coating of the color so that nothing's left out. You won't have pieces here that aren't treated and other pieces. So take your time combing through. It's a real easy process. It's just a little messy. As you can see, I'm making a mess, but it comes with the pack of gloves. It's an easy treatment, just something to give yourself a little boost on the color. So pretty easy. And I know that I said that this does not take on hair that isn't color treated, but because my roots are grown out kind of sporadically, I just want to make sure I don't leave anything untouched, so I'm doing my entire head. If your color is more towards the ends, you don't have to do your entire head, just focus on the colored areas, if that makes sense. So I rinsed this out after about 40 minutes. I left it in a little longer to get that really deep red color. If you wanted a lighter red color, then you would leave it in a little longer, I think 20 minutes. So these are my results. As you can see, it's a lot more red than what I had before. I'll show you a side-by-side clip here. What my red faded into was like a ginger natural red color, or a natural ginger color. It kind of looks like my natural hair color, but now I look like, oh yeah, you know, you have red color. So bringing my color back to life, this is a great way to do that without over processing your color, without causing any unnecessary damage. Let me know if you've used this. Comment down below if you have any other questions I may have left out, and as always, thanks for watching.